Hi everyone, it's Owen here at Campkins Camera Shop. Hope you're keeping safe and well. I've got another exciting surprise hopefully for you today. We've got our first Sony A7C. This is their full frame camera, but the smallest size that they've ever made a camera. The ability of the camera is actually matching very similar to the A7 III. So I think you'll see that they will start promoting this camera over the A7 III in the near future. So this is I think a silver body in here, and it's also got the new 28-60 lens, which should hopefully keep the camera even smaller. So let's open up the box. Okay, struggling to get it out of the packaging there. So this is the big reveal. There is the new Sony A7C. That is in the silver finish. All right. One of the differences, I believe, yep, I can see it now, from the A7 III is it does have a fully articulated screen, whereas the A7 III is a tilting screen. But apart from that, the ability of the camera would match the A7 III. But if I just hold that there and grab, I've got a second-hand A7 II in stock today. There is your size difference, okay? So the big difference there I can see straight away is the grip is a lot smaller, and then you've got your viewfinder tucked away a lot more rather than popping out at the top of the camera. So that's where they've decreased a lot of the size of the camera in the height as well. Yeah, we're pretty much the same on other abilities. So yeah, the height is definitely being reduced on the camera. Let's just pop out the lens and pop it on the camera. So this is their new 28-60 lens that they're kitting this with. Once we put that on, we can see that again we have a very nice, neat camera, full frame, beautiful bit of equipment. I'm looking forward to taking a few shots of that actually. And if you would like one of the first ones, well, the first one I've received, I've also got a bonus for you, which is a 3-year extended warranty. So please come and say hello. Keep an eye out for our Cambridge Photography Week. It's less than a month away now before it starts, and look forward to helping you in the near future. Thank you now. Goodbye.